Hi, I'm Mary, and this is another magical math moment. This video is the third in a series of 4 regarding parallel lines, and we're going to talk about corresponding angles in this one. So we've got 2 parallel lines cut by a transversal. Corresponding angles are going to be on the same side of the transversal, and then either both above or both below the parallel lines. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I look at one, that's above a parallel line. I want the other angle that's on the same side above the other parallel line. And I know back when I was in school, the way I was taught was that when you have corresponding angles, they kind of make like an F, which is, good for us because go Gators, right? Florida, haha. So if we put it upside down, we can see our F there, right? So that's one way to kind of think about it. So I've got 1 and 5 that are corresponding. So I can list that out, angle 1, and they are congruent. And remember, this is when we have parallel lines. I can also look at 1 and 4. They're vertical angles, so they are also congruent. 4 corresponds with 8. So angle 4 is congruent to angle 8. And now when we write it like this, you can kind of see like, oh, if I kind of jump back and forth over the transversal, those angles are congruent. And you're absolutely right. Remember, math is patterns. That's all it is. All right, here's 2. 2 is going to correspond with 6. So I'll write angle 2 is congruent to angle 6. 2 is vertical to 3, so that's going to be congruent as well. 3 corresponds with 7, so angle 3 is congruent to angle 7. And again, you can kind of see as we go here, they're on opposite sides, right? Okay, now that we have all of that, let's apply it and see if we can figure out what x is and also what our angle measure here. So we've got 7x plus 20, we've got 5x plus 38. They're both under the parallel lines on the same side of the transversal, so they are corresponding. That means they're congruent. So we have 7x plus 20 equals 5x plus 38, and then we're just going to do the algebra. So we'll subtract 5x on both sides. 2x plus 20 equals 38. Then we'll subtract the 20. So I get 2x is 18. Then I'm going to divide by 2. I get x is 9. All right. Now, if they ask for the angle measure, you could just throw it in. I would probably put it into that one over there. So I would do 7 times 9 plus 20. 63 plus 20 is 83, which is pretty random, but whatever, it's fine. So that means both of these angle measures are 83. Now let's add another layer to this problem. What if they wanted to know this angle here? Well, let's think about what you've learned so far. Here is a straight angle, right? So if I know this one is 83, together, y plus 83 is going to equal 180. And I'm going to subtract 83. So let's see what happens there. 10 minus 3, 7. 17 minus 8, 9. 97. There we go. Y is 97 degrees. Okay. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.